Hello everyone, and welcome to Great Projects. I hope you are all doing well and in the best of health. I am truly happy to have you with us today. If you are passionate about Arduino, ESP32, or looking to sharpen your skills in building professional electronics projects, then you have come to the right place. I invite you to become part of our community, so please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest projects. Thank you for your support, and let's get started with today's project. In this video, learn how to build a powerful 8-channel wireless relay control system using two ESP32 microcontrollers and the ESP-NOW protocol. We'll show you how to connect 8 buttons to one ESP32, the transmitter, to wirelessly switch 8 relays connected to a second ESP32, the receiver. This is great for home automation or remote switching projects. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the explanation clear. Since I want to make sure you can easily apply what you've learned, I've provided all the source code and diagrams used in this video in the link in the description box below. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.